If you're ready to climb to the top of value-packed travel trailers, then the Coachmen Catalina Summit might just be your base camp. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple on the move, or a whole family chasing down the next trailhead, this trailer's got a version for you. It comes in two flavors, the Series 7, which is a lightweight single axle, and the Series 8, a slightly beefier but still totally manageable double axle. We're going to walk you through both, explore what's inside, what's outside, how it's built, and what kind of ride you'll need to tow it. So let's crack it open. Stepping in through the More Ride Step Above entry steps, you immediately get that this isn't just your basic entry-level trailer. These steps are more commonly found on premium rigs, so having them on both Series 7 and 8 is definitely a strong start. Once inside, if you take a look up, you'll find the 13,500 BTU AC unit front and center. On Series 7, it's central with a heat pump, and on Series 8, it's ducted with an upgrade option to 15,000 BTUs if you want your camper to double as a meat locker. Down at your feet, the warmth comes courtesy of a 19,000 BTU furnace on the Series 7, while Series 8 cranks it up to 35,000 BTUs and even in-floor ducted heat on select models. Ceiling height ranges from 78 inches on the Series 7 to 81 inches on the Series 8. So unless you're dunking basketballs for a living, you're probably good. Floors are Congolium wood plank linoleum, no carpet, no hassle, easy to clean, and it looks sharp. Most models offer a Jiffy sofa with a flip-down armrest and some hidden storage beneath it. Dinette booths come standard with thermal foil tabletops, and most include underbench storage. The kitchen is surprisingly dialed in for trailers in this weight class. Most models include a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt GE fridge, which gives you all the space you need for the essentials. And the not-so-essentials, like leftover tacos, you can go with a 7 cubic foot LP fridge, but unless you're boondocking in the middle of nowhere for days, that extra space generally matters. Cabinets are built with screwed lumber core styles, and the thermofoil countertops extend into the bathroom for a seamless look. The deep basin farmhouse sink and the high-rise bullet-style faucet are both practical and stylish, and even the paper towel holder gets points for thoughtfulness. Cooking is handled by a GE stainless microwave and a multi-burner cooktop. 2 burners on the Series 7, 3 on the Series 8, both with backlit metal knobs that make nighttime cooking just feel a little fancier. Add in the tinted windows with hard valances and you've got a solid kitchen experience that feels far more residential than you'd probably expect. Next up, the bathroom. Most layouts feature an ABS tub shower surround with shelving, though a few floor plans offer a glass door step-in shower for a little extra elegance. A 12-volt on-demand water pump, power vent fan, and shower hooks round out the standard gear. The mirror's there for all your grooming rituals, whether it's brushing your teeth or plucking that one annoying eyebrow hair. And when it's time to sleep, most models come with a centered queen bed in the bedroom, and select layouts feature a Murphy bed sofa if you want to maximize your living space. Overhead shelving is standard, and on the Series 8, you'll find underbed storage and mirrored wardrobe closets. You've also got USB ports and power outlets where you need them, right by the bed, in the kitchen, and in bunk areas, if applicable. Entertainment-wise, the Catalina Summit is packing. The JBL Aura Cube Media Center delivers multi-zone control to premium JBL speakers, both inside and out. For over-the-air content, there's a Magnadyne antenna, and yes, you can hook up a TV outside. And since we're on the topic of the outdoors, let's actually step outside and check out the Catalina Summit exterior. The friction hinge black glass entry door with a deadbolt not only looks sharp, but it also stays put when the wind kicks up. The electric awning with multicolor LED strip and remote lets you set the mood, whether it's the chill evening glow or campground rave mode. Up front, you've got a heavy-duty tongue jack and stabilizer jacks to keep things nice and level. Storage access is easy thanks to flush mount baggage doors with magnetic catches. Rain gutters with drip spouts help direct water away from your trailer, and if you're camping with a furry friend, the pet leash D-ring gives them a shady spot to chill. The Catalina Summit comes solar prepped across the board with roof and controller connections ready to go. The Coachmen Peak Performance Solar Package gives you the option for a 200-watt panel with a 30-amp controller, helping you keep the juice flowing without constantly babysitting the battery. Easy Lube axles, leaf spring suspension, and rugged Pro black steel wheels make sure the road doesn't chew you up on the way to camp. A spare tire is standard on the Series 8 and also optional on the Series 7. And the back of the trailer includes rear camera prep and ladder prep, making it easy to add upgrades later. Oh, and if you score a model with an exterior kitchen, there's a bottle opener built in, because some features do deserve to be front and center, at least in my opinion. Now, when it comes to construction, the Catalina Summit isn't messing around. The exterior starts strong with a smooth HD aluminum front and diamond plate rock guard, and things only get tougher from there. You're riding on a Norco powder-coated chassis with a cambered structural steel I-beam frame and full-length outriggers. Above that, the cross-braced roof trusses with a 5-inch crown give you structure and drainage, while the tongue-and-groove 5/8-inch flooring bolted into a steel frame is built for some serious foot traffic. Models with slide-outs use the Norco cable slide system, while rotocast holding tanks, R7 fiberglass insulation, and a heated enclosed underbelly on most Series 8 models round out a build that's not just durable, but it's built for adventure. Okay, finally, let's get into some tow talk. The Series 7 single-axle models weigh in between 2,700 and 4,200 pounds dry, with loaded weights averaging around 4,500 pounds. That's going to be SUV-friendly territory. Bigger SUVs like the Ford Expedition, GMC Yukon, Lexus GX, and even mid-size SUVs like the Jeep Grand Cherokee or Nissan Pathfinder can handle it with the right towing package. If you're driving a mid-size truck, say a Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado, you're in the clear here too. Series 8 models bring more bulk, ranging from 4,600 to 7,700 pounds dry, and topping out near 10,000 pounds fully loaded. At that size, SUVs are out for the biggest floor plans, but the smaller Series 8 models might still work with full-size SUVs like the Dodge Durango, Yukon, or Expedition. For best results, you're looking at half-ton trucks and up, the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, Chevy Silverado 1500, Toyota Tundra, and similar. If you're unsure about your vehicle's towing capacity, you could dig through the owner's manual if you haven't used it as a bug smasher, or just swing by your local Camping World where they can sort that out for you and show you the Catalina Summit in person. Whether you're a lightweight weekend cruiser or looking for something roomier that can still roll without hassle, the Catalina Summit is ready to rise with you. All that's left is to choose your model and start planning your escape.